Based on DJI's recent drone releases and the direction the company is taking with its latest technology, we can make some realistic predictions about the upcoming DJI Air4. DJI has been refining its product lineup with a clear strategy, and the Air series plays a key role in that ecosystem. In this video, we'll explore the possible design, camera upgrades, features, and expected launch window of the DJI Air4. Last year, a leak shared by Jasper Ellens showed a damaged prototype drone that many initially assumed was the upcoming Air4. The design looked strikingly similar to the Mavic 4 Pro, particularly because of the placement of its obstacle avoidance sensors. These sensors appeared to be positioned in nearly identical spots, which immediately sparked discussion among drone enthusiasts. Another detail that caught attention was the structure of the arms. Compared to the Air 3S, they looked slightly thicker and more reinforced, suggesting DJI might be improving durability and structural strength in future designs. After enhancing the leaked image by reducing visual noise, clearing interference, and increasing resolution, several new details became visible. One detail stood out instantly: the prototype didn't include a camera module. That absence is extremely important because the Air series has become known for its dual camera system. Removing the camera would completely contradict the identity of the lineup. When analysts compared the leaked drone side by side with the Mavic 4 Pro at the same scale, a more logical explanation appeared. The drone in the leak was most likely a crashed Mavic 4 Pro test unit rather than an early Air 4 prototype. That leads to a bigger question. What does the future actually hold for the Air series? It's very unlikely that DJI would discontinue this lineup. The Air series occupies a perfect middle ground in the drone market. It sits comfortably between the ultra-compact mini-series and the high-end Mavic models, making it a favorite choice for creators who want advanced features without paying flagship prices. If we look at DJI's latest design language, there's a strong possibility that the Air4 will borrow some visual elements from the Mavic 4 Pro. This could mean a more sculpted body design, improved aerodynamics, and possibly a larger spherical camera housing at the front. However, unlike the triple camera system found on the Mavic 4 Pro, the Air4 will most likely continue using a dual camera setup. This configuration has become a defining feature of the Air lineup. The main camera could feature a 1-inch sensor paired with a wide-angle lens, delivering strong low-light performance and excellent dynamic range. Meanwhile, the secondary camera might receive a sensor upgrade while still maintaining the 70mm lens that provides 3x optical zoom. This combination has proven to be extremely useful for content creators and aerial photographers. Another important technology introduced in the Air 3S was LiDAR obstacle detection with a detection range of around 25 meters. The Air4 will almost certainly keep this system but enhance it with more advanced AI-driven subject recognition and tracking capabilities. By the time the Air4 launches, DJI's processing algorithms could be even more refined, allowing for smarter obstacle avoidance and smoother automated tracking. Transmission range is another area where improvements are expected. The Air 3S already offers an impressive range of up to 20 kilometers. With the Air4, DJI might extend that to around 25 kilometers. Any shorter and it risks falling behind the upcoming Mini 5. Any longer and it could start overlapping with the Mavic lineup, something DJI typically tries to avoid in order to maintain clear product separation. Battery life is also likely to see a small but meaningful improvement. With the Air 3S already capable of reaching about 45 minutes of flight time, the Air4 could potentially push that number closer to 50 minutes thanks to improved battery efficiency and optimized motors. When it comes to pricing, DJI will probably stick to a familiar structure. The Fly More combo package, which usually includes the RC2 controller, a charging hub, and 3 batteries, could land around $1,500 before taxes. DJI might also introduce a creator combo similar to what we saw with the Mavic 4 lineup. This version could include larger internal storage and the RC Pro 2 controller, pushing the price closer to $2,500. There is also the possibility that DJI will integrate a built-in 4G connectivity module instead of offering it as a separate accessory. Another feature many users hope to see is an official electronic ND filter system designed specifically for the Air series. With an estimated weight of roughly 700 grams, the Air4 would maintain excellent stability and strong wind resistance, which is one of the key reasons the Air lineup remains so popular among professionals and serious hobbyists. Based on DJI's recent drone releases and the direction the company is taking with its latest technology, we can make some realistic predictions about the upcoming DJI Air4. DJI has been refining its product lineup with a clear strategy, and the Air series plays a key role in that ecosystem. In this video, we'll explore the possible design, camera upgrades, features, and expected launch window of the DJI Air4.